I'm going to show you how to get that iconic 90s blowout look in your fine hair. I started off by washing with volumizing shampoo and conditioner. You don't have to do that, but it will help with the volume. Next step is going to be adding some volumizing mousse. Good amount of volumizing mousse, but not too much. If your hair feels sticky and gross afterwards, then you use too much and you need to use less next time. But you also want to make sure you do use enough, otherwise it's not going to do its job. And then just work it in all through the roots of your hair. Put in a heat protection and smoothing product. This is the 10-in-1 primer for fine hair. If you're going to use a product that is for smoothing on your fine hair, you want to make sure it's formulated for fine hair so it doesn't weigh your hair down. Nice light mist everywhere. It's got your heat protection and it's going to help make your hair nice and soft and shiny. We're going to rough dry with the blow dryer just until the hair is still slightly damp, and then we are going to use a round brush. And also blow dry your hair upside down while you do this, and that's going to help give you a little bit of extra volume. Take a clip and you're going to section out the hair starting at the bottom. Turn off the blow dryer and just leave the hair in the round brush for just 5 or 6 seconds until it has had a chance to cool slightly. It doesn't have to be completely cool. You take a velcro roller and you are going to roll it up. I'm using my medium ones on the bottom sections, and then towards the top I will switch to large for more volume. I like to roll everything under, but that's personal preference. I'm going to pull this back section forward. That's going to help as I roll it to give me maximum volume at that crown area. Again, pulling the section forward before I roll down. See that in my front fringe I did use a smaller roller. That's because my hair is a bit shorter there and I want a lot of flip. A bigger roller is going to give you more volume, less flip. If your hair's longer, you can definitely get away with just the bigger roller. You can still use the bigger roller if your hair is short, but the small roller is going to give you a little bit more boom. Now that they're all in, you're just going to leave your hair to set, and that is going to be set when it's completely cool. You can take it out as soon as it's completely cool, but the longer you leave it in, the better. I like to try and leave mine in for at least 30 minutes, maybe 45 to an hour if I have the time, but in the very least, don't take it out until it's completely cool. All right, we're totally cool, so we're gonna take them out.